Hi, this is Alex with the GNFAC with a weekly snowpack and avalanche update for the mountains near Cooke City on January 24th. The most recent avalanche activity was earlier in the week. This is a small wind slab avalanche, 1 to 2 feet deep on the north end of Henderson Mountain. And prior to that, it was about a week prior to that, we had deeper avalanches breaking on weak snow near the bottom of the snowpack. These were on Woody Ridge south of town. And earlier than that, we saw avalanches north of town, breaking on those weak layers near the bottom of the snowpack. But it has now been almost 2 weeks since we've seen these bigger avalanches breaking, and almost 5 days since that last wind slab avalanches. Yesterday, skiers did report some cracking in fresh drifts, so recent snow has been drifted into fresh slabs. Over the last week, these mountains got 2 to 4 inches of snow, and prior to that, there was steady snowfall from late December to early January that dropped about 4 to 6 feet of snow. And wind has generally been out of the west and northwest, mostly moderate, with some periods of strong winds. These photos are showing the evolution of the snowpack since early December there on the left. There's about 3 feet of snow with a shallow slab burying a layer of surface hoar and facets that you can see as that gray stripe there in the snow pit. And then about 2 weeks ago, this pit on the right shows how much snow fell on top of those weak layers and built that thick slab over them. Today, the mountains should get 2 to 3 inches of snow, and then we're looking at mostly clear, cold, well, average temperatures through the next week with light to moderate wind out of the north and northwest. So this weekend, the avalanche danger is moderate. Human-triggered avalanches are possible. These could either be those drifts of snow 1 to 2 feet thick, formed from where the recent snow is drifted into thicker slabs, and or they could be the less likely but much larger slides breaking 4 to 6 feet deep on the weak layers near the bottom of the snowpack. So if you get into avalanche terrain, which is slopes steeper than 30 degrees or terrain below, choose smaller slopes with minimal terrain traps such as cliffs, trees, and rocks, and with minimal wind loading to hedge your bets and steer clear of fresh wind drifts. Danger will probably stay moderate this weekend. It will likely start to drop to low, maybe Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, early next week. So stay tuned to the forecast for the most up-to-date conditions at mtavalanche.com. Make sure everyone in your group carries a beacon, shovel, and probe and knows how to use it. And if you're in the Cooke City area on the weekends up until March, we'll have someone at the Antlers every Friday night at 7 p.m. to talk about current conditions and basic avalanche awareness. And on Saturdays, stop by the Round Lake Safety Shelter for 15-20 minutes, anytime between 10 and 2 p.m. And someone will be there to talk about conditions and run you through a rescue practice with your gear. So thanks for checking in this week. Have a great weekend and stay safe.